Hi guys, sa channel na ito ay nag-share tayo ng mga work from home job for all the mommies or nasa bahay at gustong kumita while stay at home. So not just for a mother but for everyone na gustong magtrabaho online. So dito pala ay mamibigay tayo ng 50 GCash sa magsa-subscribe at magko-comment sa atin, and please pakitingnan na lang din ang aking Facebook page, and then you can message me. Mamimili po.
Hi guys! Sa video ito guys ay uusapan natin itong isang uh, transcription job. So ito ang transcriptionstuff.com. Work from home, earn money with transcription jobs. Kung ikaw ay mabilis mag-type at um, maganda ang pandinig, bagay na bagay ka dito. So tara, basahin natin. Start making money in 3 steps. 1 is sign up by completing a simple form. 2 is complete a 2-minute transcription test, and 3 is it's successful. Your account manager will contact you for further details. So this is work from home, flexible work schedule, and weekly PayPal payment, and earn 70 or 100 for full-time and 70 for part-time. Dito is 24/7 account management team. Choose your own project. So dito, magsasign ka lang na naman ng pangalan mo, email address, and then phone number, and then apply. So all you need is to accomplish your task is a PC task, internet, and headset. Flexible work schedule. You can work as much as a little as you want. Whenever you want, just complete at least 2 audio hours every week to keep your account active. Earn average 100 or hour. Our pay is based on difficulty or urgency of the audio. Part-time staff earns an average 70 pesos per hour. Full-time staff earn 40% or so. Punta na tayo dito sa let's click apply since nakaano ako. Maglagay ka ng PayPal mo. Ito yung gagawin mo dito guys. Ita-type mo yung sasabihin dito. Okay? Okay. Yan. Yan ang gagawin mo dito guys. Ita-type mo ang sinasabi ah, ng pinapakinggan mo ng audio. So, ayun guys, hindi ako nag-type. Hindi naman talaga ako mabilis mag-type. Nagsubok ako dati. Pero talagang kahit uulit-ulitin ko, 23 lang talaga yung kaya ko. Dito is kailangan is 50. 50 typing speed ang kailangan dito. 50 plus. Ayun. Okay, how do you start? Click here, apply and complete in 2 minutes test. Do you need experience to become transcriber? We offer the highest pay rates to experienced transcriber with 50 plus WPM typing speed. If you type slower, your payment will be lower as we pay a fixed price job. How many transcription job? So they offer 100 to 250 jobs a day. So we make weekly payment via PayPal. We will only contact you if your application is successful. You cannot reapply for 6 months. Most of my yung pinag-applyan ko after 6 months makaka-apply ka dito. you cannot apply after 6 months na, you will receive an email as to let you know how to contact your account manager to set you up. So, ayan lang guys. You can go to transcriptionstuff.com. Itong may headset na um, icon. And how to contact us. Ayan. Ito yung contact. You can put your phone, email, and then you can message them kung mayroong mga problema. And then our values. Do you share our values? Ano pa? Yun lang naman. Okay. I hope na nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe my channel for more videos pa na i-share ko dito. I am sharing work from home job, ESL job, all about work from home. Ang pag-uusapan natin, anything work from home. So, thank you guys.